gosh almighty, I'm just super bored. I don't know what I'm going to do. I know. I'll have a birthday party for no reason. It's not even my birthday, so I don't know if it is anyone's birthday, but it'll be fun. Now, I've just got to travel quickly. How am I going to do that? I know. I'll use the green screen. Is anything real? Is anything real? Why are there nothing? I can't feel my legs. I'm disappearing. I'll use the blue screen. Well, gosh, who would have thought that if a green frog, stand in front of a blue screen, I will not blend in like I do a green screen. Isn't that just fascinating? Well, alrighty then. I gotta go find my friends. We're gonna have a party. I'll go find Donnie Jim. Let's see what Donnie Jim is up to. Well, hi there, Donnie Jim. How are you doing today? Well, howdy there, Kermit. Thank you for asking. I'm doing just fine. That's just great. See, I want to try and have a little tea party, if you know what I mean. So, do you know where we can find other people to join our biscuit party? Well, yes, I think I actually know another person that could go with and be in part of this party. His name's Jeremy. I'll take you to him. Well, that's just great. I'll follow you there. Let's go. Text run. They'll rue the day. Well, hey there, Jeremy. Hi there, Donnie Jim. Do you want to help me overthrow the capitalist system and establish a new government regime? Yeah, that's great. Well, we were just thinking that we could have a little party that Kermit wants to have, right, Kermit? Yeah, I want to start a graduation party. Yeah, now, would you know anyone else who would want to be part of this party? Well, shucks, I sure do. I have a friend named Dino Dan, and I was thinking we could go and get him. We can all go together. That sounds amazing. Let's go. I'll lead the way. Dino Dan, are you here? We were thinking...